Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 15th of September 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 19th. The max OI level is higher for both PE and CE, that's positive. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Quantity change is greater for PE, that's negative. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. Let me fix that up. The PCR is still high, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower and historical volatility is higher, that's positive and a negative. His RSI is higher, that's positive. There is no divergence, that's positive. MACD is positive. DMI is bullish. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. Pivot point is higher, that's positive, and the candlestick is bullish. The current support is 6,000. This is wrong. The current support is 6,550. The last support was 6,450. The current resistance is 6,600, and the old resistance was 6,500. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.